This is Sterling, Virginia, and there's not that many people out. 2010 blizzard. Some people sledding over there. Crazy idiots. And look, house is drenched in snow, as usual. Over 2 feet of snow. I know you people that live somewhere that snows like a crap load every year, you're probably laughing at us over here, but this is a shitload of snow in our region. So we're just gonna, just not bother to stop at this red light, because who gives a damn? There's no police out here. Yeah, so nowhere is open, not even that emergency place is open. They're like, whoever's dying, fuck them. Nobody cares. Go die in the snow, who cares about you? Look at this idiot just walking in the middle of the street. Yeah. Oh, there's a couple people coming down actually. My bad. More idiots to see. I'm one of them.